Today, we're going to lift this car off the ground using the cheapest welder money can buy. Is an Ozito 100 amp flux core gasless MIG welder. I did a video previously on this welder doing a review on it, which I'll put a link to that in the description of this video if you want to go watch that. But yeah, I had a few people say to me, oh, sure, that thing looks like it welds okay, but there'll be no strength to it. So I thought, need to prove this once and for all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld a lift point onto the front here and lift it off the ground. What could possibly go wrong? Piece of square tubing. I'll weld it right there like that, I reckon. Oh, it's ugly, but it's on there. Well, let's hook up the gantry and pull on it. There's daylight under there. I can already hear everybody saying, but you're only picking up the front of the car. Fine, we'll do it your way. Center of the roof. Back wheels are in the air. Look at those little welds just holding on for dear life. Look how deformed the hook is. Check out those beautiful flux core welds.